tires and all sorts of problems. All right, we got another toy. We're getting another reaction from Braxton.
Oh my gosh, dude, that's what's up. That's what's up. I love the orange.
Orange is my favorite color, so I had to go orange, you know. Came with the freaking trailer and the side-by-side. It's got a sound system.
Came with the trailer?
Yep, came with the trailer.
That's sweet.
Didn't pay anything extra for it. And it fits so tight on that trailer.
Really?
The trailer's super light. Super light. Yeah, it's got full doors. Yeah, look how weird the key is. So you take the key, and there's just this little button that you push it onto. It's freaking wonky.
That's crazy.
And then, you know, suicide doors. My mom's like my mom's like getting in it, and she's like, I don't know how you get in this thing. She's like, where's the door handle? She's over here trying to reach around right here, over here. And I was like, it's up front, and it's a big old red tag. All right, well, let's start her up.
Didn't you say you were going to get one of these in May?
Well, May was the goal. It just may have happened a little earlier.
Well, it's January.
Are you kidding me?
The next day.
Special.
Hill 10. There is a turn.
What do you guys think of this side by side?
It's gold.
And orange.
And orange.
It's pretty good looking.
That it is.
All right, now we got hopefully a charged battery. It should be charged, so we can do a little baby wrap.
Little baby rip.
Yeah, 'cause we can't go too loud. It's in the garage. Plus, it won't be warm. And then Sunday it's supposed to snow.
Sunday afternoon.
It senses that it's dark outside, so the lights are on. Oh, it's angry.
I'm definitely excited to go riding with you, Devin.
It's definitely not warm. It doesn't like coming back down. That's only 3,700. All right, so we took the side-by-side out for the first time with Dad, and Dad got a ride in it. What was your reaction?
He told me he wasn't going to do anything too crazy. He lied.
I only was doing 50.
But it was fun.
It's pretty smooth, honestly.
Yeah, for the rougher ride as it was definitely a pretty smooth ride. It was fun.
Yeah, I was bad and didn't get the harnesses done, but now they're going to be done so he can enjoy another ride here in a bit.
We'll do it.
But we're going to take Braxton out now. He's getting in and getting those harnesses done to him. When I bought it, the harnesses were done too tight to fit. Just sit down on it and you can see how it fits. Pull to the front. Suicide doors. So we're actually going to start the GoPro this time. I totally forgot to start the GoPro. It's right there. So we'll start that.
By sheer coincidence.
Alright, so we just got back from riding, took Dad out on the side-by-side again. Went a lot more crazy because we actually had the seatbelts on like a good person this time. You didn't hear about that. So Dad, tell us about your experience and when we got a little more rowdy driving home.
We hit a lot of bumps that I expected to throw a spine out and not be able to walk again, but it took it like a champ, and it was just a nice smooth ride. It definitely was better the second time around. Wasn't as cold. I would do it again.
The second time around.
So the first trip we drove in,
Yeah.
and then when we drove out it was a lot warmer because it was like 1 o'clock.
Oh, okay.
It was
Super
really
cold.
cold
Okay.
this morning
Super
at 9
cold.
a.m.
Okay, now I'm grasping.
But yeah, you should go.
Oh, I'm sure I will.
He'll have to be a lot safer with you.
Behavior.
Sometimes.
Mine does manners.
Yeah, mine just matters.
Does it make you more excited hearing Dad's reaction about going on the side by side?
Yeah, still nervous it might hurt me, but
Dad, there's like this bump's not gonna be good, and then he's like, it didn't even like there was nothing.
nice.
He's telling me that on the side.
The trip to go out there camping, yeah, you drop you off, you won't complain at all.
You'll get beaten. I won't.
I'll get beat to death in my truck, and you'll be like, that's just fine.
I don't know what you're talking about. This is a smooth road, yeah. Freaking
Nice.
crazy. Yeah, we were very first trip in the morning. We were doing like 35, which is you're going pretty fast if you're in the truck and trailer. And the side by side, I'm doing 35, and I felt like I was doing like 10 miles an hour where
I'm surprised
in
you
the
weren't
truck
going
and trailer.
faster.
Well, I was trying to not be too fast on that guy in front of me.
Yeah.
I didn't want to eat his dirt and stuff. We did get up to 50.
The way back, we didn't go slow.
We almost got to 70 on the way home. On that dirt road. 70.
That's crazy.
It's just so smooth, but that's how these things are designed. You go fast, and the faster you go, the smoother the ride is. It's a weird concept, but
Nice.
it's super fun. So, yeah, we'll get you in the next update when Mom gets to go on a ride.
Sounds fun.
Now.
Did you enjoy it?
The views out there is gorgeous. Coming down is scary.
Well, like I said, you can see where we're going the entire time. It's not to a point where you can't see.
That's scary.
Fun for you?
It was fun. Can I get out?
All right, Brianna, how'd you do?
Great.
Do it again?
Yeah.
What was the scariest part?
Honestly, it was the second lift. So the first one, you're preparing to go down. You're like, okay, I'm going down. But then you hit the second lift at the bottom. You're like, okay, where are we going down? So it was the second lift on the way down.
But you had fun.
Yeah, it wasn't scary, honestly.
All right, well, there's the intro video. Yes, I have a Can-Am now, so now I can film future videos with the Can-Am, because now I revealed it. It wasn't the best reveal video, but I showed it to a bunch of people. These are a bunch of the clips that I did take. Wasn't the best at remembering to film to show people, but I was getting out of the grind of YouTube, so now I'm getting back into it. So better videos coming in the future. These are old videos that I've previously filmed. In fact, fun fact for you, I've had the Can-Am for 3 years now, so hit it for a long time. So yeah, hope you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing with my channel, go out and go find your passions.